Welcome back everybody to this new video of TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started to managing a content, coordinating with a team, and tracking posts and social piece, because today this is an actual perfect tool, building a professional end-to-end system to manage all your social media efforts in just one place. So first of all is to set up your workspace and the list. So to get started and doing this really easily is to focus into the left section that says Spaces. And here I'm going to focus for create your space. We have an icon, a name, description, make it private, and the default permission. So inside my icon and the name, I'm going to type, for example, the name of my brand. And I'm going to type the name of my icon. So like this. There we go. And the description. Let's say, for example, this is the brand. And I hit the continue. Now, to really find my workflow, I wanted to focus, for example, only for the starters. There's, for example, more the product management, marketing teams, product engineer. What I'm going to be focusing is to start plan, just to know that we already have a few elements. You don't want to feel overwhelmed of them. So, what I'm going to focus in now is into create my space. Now, if you have a free version of the Clickup, I can totally suggest you to delete a few spaces because you are only able to have up to 5, I believe, spaces. So you want to take your time when you generate that element. So inside that specific element that you have just generated, there's 2 ways that you can continue. You can continue by blank, or you can use some templates. When you create, for example, your own templates, I wanted to delete, for example, this space. I wanted to generate a new space. I'm going to click into use templates, and I'm going to type, for example, social media. They're going to be creating social media agency tools that can be helping you to use them. For example, this is a specific template that they do have suggestions, the copywriting, design, questions and answers, publications. So if you like those kind of templates, just go for the option that says use the template and start using this into an actual new space. This is totally optional. You don't have to worry about if you want to be working there or not. So I'm going to be closing this. I create my design, and directly in here now we can start adding the boards. I wanted to be focusing into the board because this is like the most easiest way to get started with the boards. Now everybody uses this as in progress, risk, done, planning, to-do list. In this case, I want to be clicking into this specific boards, and I want to be editing the actual name of them. For example, I wanted to look out for the customization. I wanted to look out for the fields, or let's say my elements. And here into creation, instead of creation, let's type, for example, YouTube. Entire space. Right? So in this specific list, now I have the YouTube element. Directly here into the planning element, I can change, for example, this specific tattoo. For example, the list, create new, tasked or list. And here I can type, for example, Instagram, something like that. So when you generate those kind of elements, what you can do now is to, let's say, focus directly into the production of the social media. So for example, here post-production is now being called TikTok, and into the production this one should be called Instagram. So this is the first way of how we can organize that element. The second of it, let's say they're going to type in here Facebook. The second way now is to click directly into the elements that you needed to change. For example, inside Instagram, TikTok, I want to be clicking into this specific element that says Instagram post, right? So instead of going for Instagram post, since I already know that this is Instagram, I just type the word, what exactly this is, post, and what is this about. Let's say, for example, that this will be product number 23. Right? So instead here we have the status, the date, the time estimate, the tax, for example, assigning the priority, the target time, relationship field. These are my 3 subtasks that need to be done. And if I wanted to develop this a little bit more, I can click into the element that says upload the post into Instagram, and I can talk a little bit more about the sub-tasks, the checklist, things that need to be done, adding, for example, social hashtags, what's going to be the actual description, and all of it. So something else that I'll be suggesting to you guys is to use these automations. Automations can be helping you to do the work a little bit much more faster. For example, if I focus in here for create automation, for example, if I have published Instagram post, this will be really useful because we have the actual trigger. So if the content moved for Instagram to published, double check the post on all the platforms. So I hit into the option that says create, and this automation going to be saving me a little bit more of time when I have the specific fields, right? So the last thing to do now is to use the calendar view to visualize your schedule, for example. So the free version only has the list and the board view. If you wanted to try out, for example, the calendar view, it might be giving you a free trial, but I don't recommend you to stick around here because this is only the free version. But if you want to stick around with the calendar view, you have to pay for it. But basically, I actually have the information of what you need to post, what you have done from next week, what you will be do, what you have done, for example, from last week, and so much more. So even you have even the Kanban view that can be helping you to check out how it actually looks at all your elements, just as the board as you're just getting started. And lastly here, it says published. I will be just dragging and drop, and my post should be published, and I resolved all the tasks, and everything should be done correctly and done. So that's how you can get started, of course, with the professional social media management. Whether you want to use this from scratch, from blank, or to use an actual template generated by the Clickup, you are good to go. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have lots of fun directly here into the Clickup. And hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you guys next time.